Welcome to the show. Let's talk to Connor Campbell, Financial Analyst at Spreadex. Morning to you,
Good
Connor.
morning.
Right, let's kick off with Cable, the Great British Pound against the US dollar. Key events, Q3 GDP on Wednesday. In the US, we've got Q3 GDP on Friday. This is a very, very tricky currency pair, isn't it?
Yeah, no. For like the second or third week in a row now, it's really hard to discern what direction our clients are going in. It's really sort of a toss-up between. Last week it was around that 133 mark. Obviously, it's tumbled away since then. Now it's around that 132 mark. It's really hard to see, exactly what the majority direction is. I'd say they're erring on the side of buying just under that 132 mark. That's perhaps because I think UK Q3 GDP is not meant to be great. I think it's meant to be 0.3%, which would be the same as Q2, or at the very best 0.4%. Whereas the US figure, I think, is expected to fall from 3.1% at the annualised rate in Q2 to 2.7%. So that might be the reason why. But I think it's very, very hard to work out exactly what to do. And then you've also got sort of the complicating factor of, December rate hikes pretty much locked on, but then before that you've got the November rate hike, which I think what John Cunliffe said this morning was an open question, which obviously doesn't exactly help sterling or investors work out what exactly is going on. And then, by the time you get to November, then you've either got disappointment of no action then, or does the Bank of England then sort of tee it up for December, before the end of the year. So there's a lot going on, and that's before mentioning Brexit and things like that. A lot going on to try and discern exactly what direction to go. Then there's obviously there's the US tax plan. There's reports that Donald Trump might potentially this week announce who his pick for the next chair of the Fed's going to be. So there's a lot to try and work out where to go with. But like I said, I'd say, trying to sift through it, our clients are just about buying around that 132 mark, but not necessarily with much confidence.
Not high conviction. As always, Connor, thank you very much.
Thanks very much.